cocaine who jadi no. Maybe say based on fact now because also munya intel no and pay no and a national security for jina so editu anamo. Based on fact and based on hearsay.
It's based on fact. It's based on fact, say. NPP for no person when anya some person mungu abandon masu.
Moye muhwehwe mu adru ba bia mo hunu nkrofo a wo hyase.
And I make a choice say. Based on the fact no kire say amount for the cocaine good tipa track mu. E dey free Takoradi dey back Accra. Security for and NDC for na in charge of security no. Ye na hwe na che san nkofo no mo ye dwumadie no say NDC party for and NDC dwumadie bone na sak ye nche omo.
And it doesn't matter.
No.
Richard, it doesn't matter.
How doesn't it matter? How does it matter?
For the fact say mo wa ban mu no doesn't mean say bibia betumi akoso toten. Say meba o ebusua bia ye won kwalabo ni wom, enuanu bia ye wo kwalabo ni wom. Enti no say NDC for na power, e no nkire say bibia mo beye bia will be right. Patroti ase bia mo benya abebone a beba be fram a betumi de animguase abremo.
Me nuaba. On say what busa masem I'm telling you what is happening on the ground. And what is happening on the grounds and they say the security is now having their liberty to operate. And they are operating smoothly. That is why nyama boni ekoso e Ghana as say no yetimi chi omo amu disabone no.
Enti on Takoradi de no machi nkofo.
And I say omo amu di omo driving nipa ko drive car na omo amu share chere nyina say achi omo.
We are funny tiefo ne ahwefo ni munti mami bisa o say.
Yeah, chi omo because
nipa do say na so far machi omo.
I'm well aware say nipa na o carry oye driver no ene omo anu mo ye along ne nyina na achi omo. Ena baby a omko carry sa load no e di free ye no yakọ no makwa arrest.
Okay, it is so far much nipa kakra.
Ya chi nipa kakra.
Nipa no dey omo NPP for.
As to their party affiliations in there, I can say omo NPP for. Esan say revelations ni nyina ye den and by ena investigation is still ongoing. On say business like that no. Uchi driver na uchi mate na uchi baby a omo yes a business na eno nche se wan yankofo ni nyina wie e bia na mpanifo ni akuku dan bi edan e wa chire enti when you preempt the situation you will not be able to get all the information all the facts surrounding it
but who say what can
enti make say we are arresting the people who are doing those things.
Okay.
But I personally can confidently tell you that it is NPP people who are doing that.
What evidence?
And I make a choice personally, no, I can tell you that it is NPP who is doing that. But that is why we are making all this arrest.
Richard,
now
I can say you can you personally say NPP for do you have evidence to it? Because
okay.
See, I want my yes, or Mamochi woman no, mu party affiliation bia. And see, I don't see you can confidently say a NPP for. Do you have evidence to it?
The evidence, no, say all the same quarter. Judge, no. Apart from evidence, he will also use common sense. But what I say, I will not want to say this is the final evidence to the subject matter. But I'm making a conclusive statement, say, based on what is happening, our security for a year juma smoothly. Our momuti bonnet edisa judge bonnet in yetime chomono. I was saying for award no more Emma NDC for than to blame NDC.